Hey, it's Cole with Tough Cookie, and we're back with a no sew face mask. So many people have been asking for this, and it's just in time for back to school for the littles. So you would need two pieces of fabric that's 5 by 7, elastic, either a tacky glue or fabricTex glue, or even a hot glue gun, and a pair of scissors. You can actually get cheap fabric from Walmart that's in a section. You can do a whole lot of masks. It's very simple and easy to do. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna flip the front fabric over to the wrong side. I'm gonna apply a thin layer of glue on the end, and I'm just gonna fold the fabric onto itself, and we're doing this on both sides, and it will give us a nice clean look. And when you're folding the fabric onto itself, just make sure you're pressing down hard just so that glue can be activated and it can hold that fabric down. So now pull out your other piece of fabric. This will be the part that goes on the inside of your mask. And we're going to do the same thing just about for this one, except for we're going to leave a little space, and this will be used to be able to put our elastic through. So you don't want to put too much glue because you want to be able to fish the elastic through like a little hole. I'm going to show you, and we're going to do both sides. See, I folded it over a little bit wider, and see, I'm just showing an example of me trying to push the elastic through. Now don't forget to make sure you're pressing down hard the fabric onto itself. So now you want to place both of the masks right sides together and just do it evenly, and make sure that you have the same amount left on both sides. You're going to apply a little glue at the top and bottom. And I'm just going to show you that, and then press firmly again. So you want to check behind yourself and just make sure that everything is glued. And that is all for the gluing. Believe it or not, we're actually done with the face mask. Very easy, very quick. So what you want to do is just maybe find something heavy and place over top of it to kind of put some pressure onto the fabric and the glue to kind of embed it together. And check back in a couple of hours. Okay, so the elastic, you want to just put the safety pin on. So it's been drying overnight, so it's good and hard. I'll just show you, like, I'm kind of pulling here. It's not coming apart, so that hole that we made in the black part for our lining, we're just going to use the safety pin and kind of fish it through. Like so. And I believe this elastic is 7 1/4. And I cut 7 inches, which you may have to go a little bit bigger for a child. It might be okay. So I'm just gonna actually take it, wrap it around my finger, and pull it through the hole to give it a little knot, like so. I'm gonna adjust it and then just kind of make sure it's tight. And I'm gonna do the other side the same way. Take the safety pin off and just kind of knot it again. With this method, you can make the elastic a little bit longer, and then that way you can adjust as needed. So this is how I look on the inside of the wrong fabric, and this is the outer part of the wrong fabric. So what we're going to do now is just turn it inside out, okay? And now you have your very own cute little face mask. No sew, very quick and easy to do. If you're really pressed on time and don't have the time to wait, you can use a glue gun. And for the knot, if you want to hide that, you can actually just move it so the knot goes on the inside of the black fabric, and then that way you won't even see it. And I left the sides open if you were curious, because you can now put a filter in it. And that is all that we have. I would love to see your finished product. If you decide to do the no sew face mask, you can send me pictures or send me a DM or tag me on IG. My IG is at love underscore tough underscore cookie, and I look forward to seeing your creations. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe if you haven't already. I never met a tough cookie that wasn't sweet. Continue to be you and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.